On our fifth and final example, after looking at this graph, we are going to write the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. I really hope that you're feeling confident in these problems now as we look at our graphs to determine the slope and the y-intercept from a given graph so that we can then write our equation. Step 1, let's find your y-intercept. As the y-axis is here in the center vertical, and we see our line is really low on the graph, and that's just fine. This sometimes makes people a little bit nervous because the line is all the way down at the bottom, just barely intersecting the y-axis on this portion of the graph that we can see, but that's just fine. Your y-intercept is still right there. It is B, sitting at negative 100. Okay, let's go find M. So now that we know where to begin, let's go see how we move. And we know that we have to determine if this is a positive or negative slope. And we've been doing that with our silly little story about a man who died, and he heard the voices, saw the light, followed his path. And this path, while it may be taking a while, he is moving upward. He's going to get there. So this is moving upward, eventually slowly getting him to heaven. This is a positive slope. Knowing that a positive slope, I spelled that wrong, is rise over the run, let's go see what we've got, looking for two clean coordinate points. Our y-intercept is clean. We'll definitely use it. Here's a clean coordinate point. Here's another clean coordinate point. And that's all we need. We don't need lots and lots of them. We just need one, truthfully. So let's go do this. We can pick any two. Here's another clean coordinate point. Why not use one that's not on the y-intercept? Why not? Just for something different. So our rise is vertical. Our run is horizontal. And we see that our rise is all of 2 units. And we don't have to worry about a minus in this example, as our slope is positive. And our run is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. You definitely need to reduce this if possible, and it is possible. 2 divided by 6 is 1/3. And having a fraction for a slope is just fine. It will happen more often than not, truth be told. So, y equals m, our slope, which is 1/3, x, our variable, plus b, but our b, our y-intercept, happens to be negative, and we don't put a plus and a minus side by side, so we write minus 100, and so thus we have our final equation. And there you go.